Hey, what's going on everybody? This is your host Manik and I welcome you all to yet another video on this channel. So I made a first part of this video a month back where I shared some of the best cases under 1000 rupees for the OnePlus Nord, and I got many comments after that to recommend cases under 300 to 500 rupees price segment. And you know what? You can get the most of the ones you are watching on your screen for 300 or even lesser. And if you want to know how, then stay tuned, alright. So I got some of these review units to inspect the quality for you guys. So huge thanks to Skinify for sending these. And you can get extra 100 rupees off on your order. Yep, that's right, on any of the cases you see in this video. And links to buy all of these are in the description area itself. So let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section down below. And yes, I did test all these cases with the official screen protector applied, and all of them fit in quite nicely without any issues. First one in this list and my personal favorite is this soft silicone case for OnePlus Nord. And I've been using this sandstone case since quite some time now, and this silicone case is also quite good in terms of protection. So you get this soft fabric inside and it won't leave a mark on the glass back anytime soon. So overall, the case fits in quite snugly on the device without any wobble or gaps whatsoever. Plus it even protects the buttons, so really a good thing in that aspect. And even the alert slider is easy to use and even more reachable than the original sandstone case, which is impressive at this price point. But it gets smudged up in a span of time, so do keep that in mind. Next one is also good for those who want complete all-round protection even on the camera part. So this soft TPU case is a good pick too at this price point, and it does fit the device quite nicely and is grippy too. So the main good part of this one is the complete camera protection, which is essential for those of you who drop the device quite frequently, and thus it is a bit raised from the camera bump, which is good and it serves the purpose. The buttons are also clicky and the alert slider is also reachable as expected. But I do see some people who feel like flaunting the texture of back glass, and for them this clear case is a good pick. So this one here has complete camera protection, but the back here is transparent and made of plastic, and it doesn't look cheap at all. In fact, it looks better than I expected, and you can even choose from a couple of other colors in case you don't like the one that I have. So like other cases, this one also fits quite snugly on the device, and the buttons are also quite clicky, so no gaps or loose ends of any sort. And you can see most of that textured glass back of your device without sacrificing on the camera part. So at this price, it does look good and a different option from those boring TPU cases you see every day. Next one that I have here is also inspired from this sort of design and acts like a bumper case sort of. So this one is even more transparent in case you like the previous case, and the back here is made from plastic, so it won't break easily at all. And there is also a ring around the camera part to protect it from occasional wear and tear, though it won't provide the level of protection you just saw with the above 3 cases. But the edges are better protected with this one and is quite lightweight too, in case you are wondering. Plus the back glass of your OnePlus Nord is fully visible with this case. So in case you are someone who wants to flaunt the color of your device, well, this one is for you. Last one in this list is the Smoke case, and I'm pretty sure most of you must have seen this already. But if you haven't, well, this one has this translucent sort of back that hides the color of the device, of course, while fitting in quite nicely. Though unlike other 4 cases mentioned above, this one does not have anything differentiating. So if you are someone who wants a minimal looking case that has colorful accents on the buttons all over, well, this one is the right pick for you. And to be honest, these are quite value for money cases in this price point. Oh, and I almost forgot that you can manage to get a couple of tempered glasses, that too from Skinify. So the first one is this full protective one, and this one is quite close to the official one that I have applied here already. So it looks quite good, though I won't be applying it right now as I am using the official one already, and removing it will be a sheer wastage. So if you ask me, the quality is on par with what you get in the market, and it will fit in quite nicely with the cases too. So you can buy one from the link in description area. The other one that I have here is not a glass but actually a matte film, and the main advantage of this one will not be the complete protection, but lesser smudges than what you see on the glass based ones, like the one above. So in case you want less smudges on your device and a cleaner device throughout the day, you can go with this one. Anyways, so these are all the accessories that you can manage to buy at around 300 rupees max. So these are really good and value for money at this price point. And in case you liked any of them, then make sure you use the discount code and order ASAP, as it is a limited period offer. And that would be all for now. So do give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more content like this one, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So I'll see you in the next one.